Hello guys, Al is here with you as usual, and welcome to this new episode where we are going to do an unboxing and reviewing to the copy of the Apple smartwatch, which is the W26. So let's go unbox it first. So here we go here to the unboxing of this smartwatch. Like we are seeing here, it comes with a very small pack comparing to the original Apple Watch that comes with a very huge package, taller than this one. This is square size. So like we are seeing here, the picture of the smartwatch is on the front surface of the package here, and we have the color. When you buy it black, you have to you find this let's say a black point, and we have the name of this smartwatch, W26, here on this side. So we open the package, we open the box of this smartwatch. So we find here first the charging cable. We find our precious smartwatch copy of the original Apple Watch Series 6, and here we find the using manual written with I think both languages, Japanese or Chinese language and English language. So this manual here introduces the all the functions of this smartwatch here, containing also the QR code to be able to download the application that you can run your smartwatch through with your smartphone. So we come here to our watch here. We can press for 2 seconds on this right button here, and it is going to run. It is turned on, sorry. It is connecting to my smartphone. So like we are seeing here, it has a similar design to the original Apple Watch Series 6, and a very similar main menu also. It has two types of menus. We have the 9 apps menu, and we have also the smart style menu. So like you are seeing here, there is some watch themes that we can choose one among all this I guess 10 or 8 themes. I guess that I'm going to stick with this one. So it is the this is the W26 smartwatch. We have too many languages. It is auto synchronized within my phone because I use the English language. Otherwise you can choose one language among all these available languages here. Arabic is available, Dutch, Spanish, English, French, Portuguese, and a lot of international languages. It has also the features of shaking wake up gesture. So when the wake up gesture is turned on, so you can only have to shake a little bit your smartwatch and the screen is on. You have to shake it more to have the screen off. You can also pick up your calls from through this gesture. Shake to answer calls, so you have only to shake when you are receiving a call. So you have only to shake your hand to get the call answered. We can also change the strap by pressing here, and the strap is off the watch, and we can replace it by another one if this strap is damaged, or we can also try to buy another color and replace it. Hello again. Like we have just seen in the unboxing, that this watch is pretty similar to the Apple Watch Series 6 and Series 5, sorry. So in terms of design, in terms of front design and back design, in terms of the strap, and even when it comes to the watch menu, it is pretty similar to the Apple Watch. This watch have too many features like the original Apple Watch Series 6, but due to its cheap price, it cannot give you precise results like the original Apple Watch does. It's a back sensor to calculate your heart beats per minute, also the percentage of the oxygen inside your blood, also the your temperature. You can even calculate your sleep time. You can also receive your phone calls through this smartwatch, and you can also talk to your caller, because it contains, this smartwatch contains a microphone and 2 speakers in the left side and a microphone in the right side. And this is a special useful feature, especially when we are driving our cars, so we are not obliged to pick up our phones or mobile phones and speak to our callers, so we can receive the call through this smartwatch and talk to our caller. Through this smartwatch also you can control your music player. Also you can even launch the camera of your phone and take pictures. If you are practicing walking, running, climbing, cycling, basketball, badminton, tennis and football, so you can rely on this smartwatch. You can calculate the burned calories, practicing time, heartbeat rates and more. Only we cannot truly rely on the results given by this smartwatch, because it doesn't contain a professional sensor here. And for this reason I sent an email to the manufacturer of this smartwatch and I asked them if the sensor here, the back sensor here, is a true sensor or it is only a LED light. So they reply on me that there is really a sensor inside. It is not professional sensor, so it cannot give you a precise results. So personally, I really like this smartwatch and the features that come inside. Only I do not recommend it, especially for those who really need precise results for their heartbeat rates, their blood pressure, their oxygen percentage inside their body. So they can go and buy Xiaomi Mi Band 5 or the Samsung Fit instead, because these watches are equipped with professional sensors and they can give you precise results for your heartbeat rates, your pressure, blood pressure and more. Arrive to the end of this video. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to see together the upcoming videos. Peace.